Hello dear students, I welcome you all to the part 2 of our video. We are going to take learning large numbers further. So to begin with, I want you all to do a small exercise with me. You just have to rub your palms together and then place it over your eyes like this. And close your eyes for 2 seconds and open it slowly. Can you feel that cool? Yes. Now let's begin the topic. Children, before we begin to our place values and other subtopics, let us quickly understand the term called numbers. Numbers are mathematical object used to count, measure and weigh things. Because we need number to know the exact amount of something. It can be anything. Look at your screen. There are chocolates in a box. So I want to see how many chocolates are there in this box. So I need to count it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 chocolates here. What about the jar? It's filled with milk. So what is the amount of milk which it contains here? The quantity of milk is 300 ml. Yes? So numbers help us to understand, count, measure and weigh things. Now these numbers can be subdivided into whole numbers and natural numbers. So the numbers are divided into two parts, which are whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole numbers always begin with a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on it goes. Natural numbers, they begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Kids, let us quickly look at the place value chart that is placed in front of you. The place value has ones, tens, hundreds. Then we have thousands. Then after that 10,000. So the ones period has these three units which are ones, tens, hundreds. They are under the group ones period. And 10,000 and 1,000 comes under the group thousands period. So we use a comma to separate both of them when we are writing the number. Here we are going to talk about the smallest number and the greatest number of 5-digit and 6-digit. But before we move to 5-digit and 6-digit, we will first start with a single digit, which is the single digit smallest natural number. It is 1. Natural number starts from 1 and the greatest single digit is 9. Next, the smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. You are right. I can hear some of you screaming and telling the answer. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the greatest 3-digit number is 999. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So how do we get a 2-digit smallest number from the greatest number? It is very easy. When I add 1 to the greatest number, I get the 2-digit smallest number. Then when I add 1 to the to the greatest 2-digit number, we get the smallest 3-digit number. When I add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, I get the smallest 4-digit number. When I add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, I get the smallest 5-digit number. Wow, it's so amazing. So you can also do the same thing in your notebook and show it to your parents. Students, can you see a number which is written on your board? Which is that number? I cannot read that. I need a place value chart to read the number. So 6 comes under the head ones, 9 comes under the head tens, 8 comes under the head hundreds. So how can I read this number? It is 896. So it is 896. Now I know the number. Let us learn place value using this abacus model. Each line or stand has few beads that are placed. So based on the beads, we will be able to read the number or write the number also. So let us start with ones, because we are supposed to start with ones, then move on to tens and so on. So ones, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. How many tens? 1, 2. 2 tens. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundreds. How many thousands? 1, 2, 3. 3 thousands. How many 10,000s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10,000s. Before I read this number out, let us separate it. 1, 2, 3. These 3 units come under ones period. These 2 units come under the period 1000. Yes. So let us read it. It is 43,627. It is 43,627. Let us quickly find out the place value of this number. Before finding the place value, I need to create a place value chart. Okay, so this is our place value chart. I place the 0 under the head ones, then tens, 3, 6 hundreds, 5 thousands, 1 10,000s. So after this, I need to separate it with a comma. These 3 units come under the head ones period. So after this, we put a comma, and this is thousands period. So how do we say it? It is 15,630. Our next question for today is this number. We need to find the place value of this number. Again, we have to write the place value chart, and then we will put the number under the different heads. Ones, 5 ones, 1 tens, 2 hundreds, 3 thousands, 6 10,000s. After 3 units, I put a comma to separate it. So what is the name of this number? How do we read it? It is 63,215. 63,215.
Children, let us quickly summarize the things that we learned today in our lesson. First is numbers are mathematical object used to count, measure and weigh things. Numbers are of 2 kinds, whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole number begins from 0 and then continues, but natural number, they begin from 1 and so on. The different place value terms are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. The different period or group in a place value chart are ones group or ones period and thousands group. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. A place value chart, you must have seen, helps us to understand the position of a digit in a number. Children, you may send us your valuable feedbacks or any chapter related activities that you have done at home at primary.tfs@gmail.com. Also, don't forget to complete your worksheets, which are available on the school's website. Till we meet next in my next video, I request you all to wash your hands, eat healthy, stay fit, take care and God bless you all.